FarmChem offers FlowServe Horizontal Mount Pumps that you can assemble in just a few easy steps. The pump comes with a 2-inch coupling, a cam lock, a nozzle, a hose, and a footstand for the pump. Before you begin assembling the kit, be sure to wrap all threaded fittings with sealant tape in a clockwise motion to prevent leaks. First, connect the 2-inch coupling to the front of the pump and tighten. Then connect the coupler. After that, connect the couplers at the front of the tank. Then connect the discharge hose to the pump's discharge port and tighten. Then connect the nozzle to the discharge hose. Finally, readjust the foot stand so that the pump is level and you're ready to use your pump. For more information on the FlowServe Horizontal Mount Pump or on other FlowServe pumps, call FarmChem at 800-247-1854 or visit our online store at shop.farmchem.com.